Tanya, what kind of is your specialization? What kind of business you are prefer to listing?
Well, my preference is I like two things. I like manufacturing because I like to see how things are made. Um, and I like professional service firms. So the two are very different, but both of them encompass a lot. When you think about manufacturing, it might be metal fabrication or plastics, vacuum formed plastics or plastics extrusion, could be garment manufacturing, could be food manufacturing. I mean, manufacturing just covers a very wide variety of businesses. Professional service firms is the same thing. Your professional services, that's going to cover law firms, medical practices, dental practices, property management companies, insurance books of business, accounting and tax practices. So, both of those business sectors are actually a lot broader than it seems. So that's those are the types of businesses I like to sell. Manufacturing also includes construction. So you got all the construction trades. So yeah, that's kind of what I like. I tend to stay away from retail when possible. But one thing I can tell you is that you're going to take on certain listings, even though maybe they're not in your target market. Ultimately, there are times you're going to take on listings that you don't particularly care for because they were referred to you by somebody, and you don't want to ever burn your referral sources, because when you burn your referral sources, they never refer to you again, right? So sometimes you end up, taking on different listings and things that they wouldn't be the ones you'd go out and look for, but nonetheless, as long as they're saleable, you're going to try and sell them so that you can maintain that referral relationship. Does that make sense?
That makes sense. Tanya,